Hi guys, thanks for watching my channel. This is a repeated video, okay, because I delayed my one before by mistake. So let's go ahead for the second topic here. The second topic is very important and secure. So please, new mom, be careful and read this um, specific topic and specific lesson, as it's very important and it comes all from the medical stuff. Okay, well, so in that case we're gonna start now, please, and hopefully we won't get a lot of distraction. Okay, new mom, putting between mother and baby through breastfeeding. So the breastfeeding is more than just nourishment. It is a time for emotional bonding. When a mother breastfeeds, her body release oxytocin, then love hormone. So the love hormone it comes as well, love hormone, okay, which helps her feel closer to her baby. So when you're breastfeeding as well, you make feel closer to her baby. This skin to skin contact promotes a sense safety and comfort for the baby. Okay, so that's the first paragraph, and it's very, very important. For the mother, this bonding moment can also reduce feelings for stress and postpartum depression. Breastfeeding strengthens the emotional connection, building trust and a lifelong relationship. These shared moments of closeness foster emotional development and give both mother and the baby a sense of security. So guys, if you are struggling with any means, you just guys have to read it as the text in front of you, guys, and please, all new mothers, please read it carefully, and if you need more videos, please let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys have very safe breastfeeding. Thank you. Bye bye.